What is your name? What is your name? My name is Alia. My name is Alia. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am reading book. I am reading book. What are you reading? What are you reading? I am reading a novel. I am reading a novel. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Sorry, repeat again. Sorry, repeat again. What color is your car? What color is your car? My car is blue. My car is blue. Are you allergic to anything? Are you allergic to anything? No, I am not allergic to anything. No, I am not allergic to anything. What did you eat? What did you eat? I ate pasta for dinner. I ate pasta for dinner. How much is this? How much is this? This is $40. This is $40. Where did you find this? Where did you find this? I found it in the park. I found it in the park. Are you on Facebook? Are you on Facebook? Yes, I'm on Facebook. Yes, I'm on Facebook. Can I take your picture? Can I take your picture? Yes, you can take my picture. Yes, you can take my picture. What do you do study English? What do you study English? I study English, improve my skill. I study English to improve my skill. Is this your book? Is this your book? Yes, this is my book. Yes, this is my book. Do you watch TV? Do you watch TV? Yes, I watch TV. Yes, I watch TV. Are you going home? Are you going home? Yes, I'm going home. Yes, I'm going home. Do you know her? Do you know her? Yes, I know her. Yes, I know her. What is her profession? What is her profession? Her profession is doctor. Her profession is doctor. Where do you work? Where do you work? I work at a bank. I work at a bank. What is your hobby? What is your hobby? My hobby is photography. My hobby is photography. Where did you study? Where did you study? I study at Harvard University. I study at Harvard University. Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? I am smiling because I am happy. I am smiling because I am happy. What time do you sleep? What time do you sleep? I sleep at 12 p.m. I sleep at 12 p.m. How is this weather? How is the weather? The weather is sunny. The weather is sunny. Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here? Yes, this is my first time here. Yes, this is my first time here. Are you hungry now? Are you hungry now? Yes, I am a little hungry. Yes, I am a little hungry. Ready to go. Yes, let's go home.